In this lecture, we will see how to create 3D practice exercise 8. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view. This is our length. It is 150 mm. This is length. Width is 75. Height is 50 mm. Just go to here, click here new. Select here 3D practice template. Then click open. Within few seconds it will open. Then go to here box. Click any location. Select here length. Make it 150, 75, 50. Make it here 150, then press enter. Make it 75, press enter. Make it this one 50, then press enter. Next we need to make it this line and this line. Make it 10 mm line. Just go to here, select here copy edges, select this one, press enter. Click here, make it like this 10, then press enter. Press escape key, just go to the copy edges again, select this line, click here, press enter, make it 10, then press enter. It is placed like this. Next we need to make it these two arc for radius 25 and radius 35. Just go to here, select here front. Now you can see x, y change like this. Just go to the circle, click this midpoint, make it like this 25, then press enter. Press enter, repeat the same command, click here, make it 35, then press enter. If you go to the PDF, you can see here this one placed exactly center, this side 75 and this side 75. You can see here. Then go to here, go to the press pull, click here, make it like this. Then click here, make it like this. Click here, make it like this. Press escape key, select this one, delete all the 2D lines. Then go to here, select here top. We need to make it this hole for radius 5, this side 15 and this side 15. Just go to here, go to the circle, click here, make it radius 5, then press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it like this 15, press enter. Select this one again, go to the move command, make it this side 15, then press enter. Then go to the top view, select this one, type MI in keyboard, then press enter. Click this midpoint and click here, then press enter. Then go to the southeast isometric, then go to here, press pull, click here, make it like this, and click here, make it like this. Press escape key, select this to circle and delete it. Next we need to make it this area. We need to cut and remove this area. It is placed 10 mm. If you see here, this is 10 mm like this. Just go to here, go to the rectangle, click any location, go to the dimension, make it 10, press enter, 10, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and go to here, click this midpoint. It is placed perfectly. Then go to here, we need to make it 25 down. Just go to here and select here, press pull, click here, make it like this, minus, you can see here 25, then press enter, because we need to make it opposite direction, that's why we need to make it minus. Delete this one. Next we need to make it this fillet for radius 5. Just go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, go to the radius, make it radius 5, then press enter. Select this one, press double enter, make it like this, press enter, repeat the same command, select this one, press enter. Now this one is ready. Next we need to make it this one and this one and this one fillet also. You can see here fillet radius 10 mm. This also radius 10 mm only. Just go to here, then go to the fillet edge, select this one, go to the radius, select here radius, make it 10, then press enter. select this edge, press double enter, press enter, click this edge, press double enter, press enter, select this one, make it double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also. Now this one is ready. Next you can make this view and you can arrange everything inside layout properly. You can create the dimensions. Already you know how to create linear dimension and this radius dimension, everything you know how to make it this editing. And once you finish this all the drawing everything perfectly, you have to save the drawing and you have to print the drawing.